people are always concerned about wearing suede because they're concerned it's going to look dirty or get stained. Suede is actually kind of easy to take care of if you do some proper things. So this suede sneaker that I own, as you can see, has some stains on the top here. There are many suede cleaners out there. All of them are pretty effective. I'm going to use one from Saphir, and just going to go over the spots on the top of the shoe here, rub it in. So what you're going to do is, you see those stains, we're going to rub it in really well. Okay, we're going to let that dry. And we'll come back. After you've allowed the suede cleaner to dry a little bit, take a suede brush, and you're just going to brush the leathers. And you can see how the nap sort of brings up the material. And as you can see, it's a lot cleaner. Now I may want to do a little bit more on that one spot, but it's way more clean than when I originally started. And that's what you do. But the big concern is always, how do I keep my suede clean? And that's the concern. Well, there's a product out here called Nano Protector. I'm going to use right now you see a nice pair of blue suede shoes here. I'm going to use some Nano Protector on the shoes. Spray it on nicely. Let that set a little bit. And watch this. Beads right off. That's how you protect your suede shoes. If you use Nano Protector and at times just a suede brush to release the dirt, your suede shoes will stay nice and clean.